And nicely played. Didn't try to hit it hard. It was just about making contact at the right.
I think we were focused on our movie star at that time.
Possibly. Now watch out for that surprise delivery. This looks like a setup from Mohammad Siraj. We've seen 3 balls so far. They've all been around one length. In the stumps, into the body, angled with 3 fielders.
More. And pitches tend to settle down. Oh dear, has a little poke. And in Australia, from England, did flick anything. The umpires have been very good. Ehsan Raza. Shafudullah Saikat from Bangladesh. Ehsan Raza from Pakistan.
Never been a huge fan of this line that starts off on middle stump as the 50 runs. Partnership comes up for these two batters, very important after the shaky start that Sri Lanka had. Crucial partner where the wicket is likely to come. Too straight. They say play with a straight bat, but sometimes too straight. This can happen.
Finally, he gets one in his half. He gets the middle of the bat, Dhananjay De Silva. But it'll add to his frustration, though. Siraj just about to finish his 4th over.
Singh played on the league.
Parvez Maroof tried making a list of former Sri Lankan cricketers in Sri Lanka and fell short. Chatted before play, and Murali Karthik was suggesting for the sweep shot. The feel he wanted was someone at square, someone out on the boundary, and a shot fine. Maybe this is a leg slip, maybe a shot fine for the top edge sweep. Indian batting yesterday that saw 6 go down for 74. It was a phase when you wondered what the game plan for India was, especially when the short pitch bowling ploy was used by Sri Lanka. I heard 2 sounds. I thought, was there 2 sounds?
Not so convincing by the fielders around the bat. I can hear from the stump mic. I think KL Rahul is saying it's bat, bat, bat. Only one review remaining for India, and not gone upstairs in time. Yes, it looked in line. Little too full to play the sweep shot, in my opinion. But we thought.
Now, to how much closer is that? The finger stays down. The question is, did it pitch in line? Certainly seemed low enough. He's got 1 review to play with. He's indecisive. He doesn't take it. They burned 2 very early with a little bit of abandon. That's it for Ravindra Jadeja, for everybody this morning. And I'm happy that was like that. Well played well inside the line of the ball.
Control the controllables. Moral victory for the batters. Not a single catching position around 4 short leg or Silimidov. The last couple of deliveries, Kuldeep Yadav is bowling a bit quicker, so the plan is quite clear for the Indian spin.
Brings a different challenge, Kuldeep. Even if he tries to go quicker, he'll still be substantially slower than the 2 finger spinners. At this stage, they're probably quicker than him by 9-10 Ks. His strength is in the air as much as off the surface.
Every time I watch this left arm spin, I love the effort, love the guile that he has. And as he grows in his test career, we'll see more variety coming in, like an arm ball, which we haven't seen really, the one that comes in.
Fun.
What I like about is the effort. You talk about left arm orthodox, you talk about that energy, you talk about the pivot, you talk about all that. And I think Sutar is almost close to that every time he delivers. Even the quicker delivery doesn't really make, not noticeable as such. He doesn't fire it in, but it's more the arm speed, I think. He's got used quite well. Just making the bowlers adjust every time.
Good run. Nice judge. Nice judge. He had to get his skates on though, did Dhananjaya De Silva. Just understanding the importance of the rotation of strike. Is that players have different styles, they have different strengths. What we have seen is Dhanusha likes to sweep. Dhananjaya De Silva plays back and cuts the ball particularly well. So when you can rotate the strike, it just doesn't allow the bowler
It's on the offside. This is clever thinking, because it's quite plain to see that they just want to induce Dhanusha to try and go through the offside, because his leg side areas of scoring are covered.
And I think bowling from the Dutch 410 would probably suit him. Sutar can do.
Quick single. And what Dhananjaya has done well is that if you watch him face Sutar, he's been playing him with very soft hands. Has not been going at it. This is pushed through quicker. You undercut. Goal is a multi-religious. Different faiths, temple, enough Buddhist temples, the mosques, the churches. From home, as far as Sri Lanka is concerned, good fielding. Not so sure that they're even looking at that goal, but he says absolutely right. In terms of runs versus overs, Sri Lanka's next plan could be bat till lunch. It's also interesting from where he played that reverse sweep. He will try and play those outside your stump, but he dragged it from outside the leg stump. So it goes in front rather than behind. So that's another thing. Largely remains the same, though this is going to fall short. They will come back for two. I think he was aiming more mid-wicket, but it was miscued, so it went towards square leg. Field is interesting because they know that Dikwella doesn't drive through mid-on, so they bring the mid-on up. They want to bowl to Dikwella. So they got those fielders saving one, but they pushed two men to the leg side boundary and deep cover. So
And he's around the wicket as well, which will create some more foot marks for Kuldeep to work with.
look at where he is. Look at where Niroshan Dikwella was when that delivery was bowled. It just went so wide and he ended up outside, almost outside your stump. He walked right across.